After completing this module, you will be able to explain the core principles of database management system and RDBMS with a focus on MySQL, create, manage and query MySQL databases utilizing SQL commands including create, insert, select, update and delete. Apply SQL clauses such as where, order by, group by, having and limit and offset to manipulate and retrieve data effectively. Utilize MySQL operators and functions to perform data manipulation and condition evaluation. Implement advanced SQL operations such as joins, subqueries and aggregate functions. Modify database structures using the alter statement to manage schema changes. Solve practical database problems using MySQL, translating real-world requirements into efficient SQL queries. Finally, optimize SQL queries for performance by understanding indexing and SQL execution plans.